I thought AI stood for after ironing. Turns out it doesn't even fold socks. Hello, my dears. I'm Grandma, and I started this channel to figure out what on earth AI actually is. They say it writes stories, draws pictures, even gives you dinner ideas. But no one's explained it without sounding like a robot themselves. It all sounds very clever, but what does it mean for someone who still prints their emails? So I'm figuring it out, one click at a time. Thank you, love. You'll see me having a go at all sorts of AI tools. No tech babble, no panic. Just plain talk, a cuppa, and probably a few silly questions. So if you're curious, confused, or just want to see a grandma talking to robots, subscribe, grab a cuppa, and come along. We'll learn AI, one giggle and one click at a time.